Hello, today I'm going to show you around the Salmonpdm web server. So if I log in here, um, this particular user has several models. The key one here is to notice that there is only one active model, the rest are just models that can be brought active. If there's a blue salmon ball, then that means that it has been deployed, so the files are always there. All the model information is in here, so this is where you enter the model details, user details, property section, partner section, child dependent area. Start off with directories file, the level of assistance. Do we want to give just do you want to deploy just the basic directory structure, or do you want the file templates as well, or the file templates and web links? So you just choose whichever you need. Microsoft, the sort of document format, do you want the Microsoft one, the Mac Docs, the Google Docs? We'll just leave it as Microsoft. English, and this type of drive, Google or Dropbox. This is just by default we leave this unselected. So next, as we go through this, we give the individual the family name, first name, hobbies, car, working status, etc. Then the particular properties that he owns, and then his partner, her working status, her hobbies, and then the dependents or children. So there's a son, a daughter, dependent elderly man, dependent elderly woman. So basically once this is saved, and I don't want to change this one, you can then choose to deploy it. Now this, even if we try to deploy this, it'll say okay, you have to pair a particular account. So we would then sign into a particular Dropbox, the correct Dropbox account, allow it, and then we will be allowed to deploy it. So we then go back to PDM model list and hit deploy, or you can either hit the salmon ball itself or hit deploy active model itself here. Are you sure you want to deploy this model? If we say yes, then we then get this feedback saying your PDM deployment to Dropbox account is now in progress. So you'll receive an email saying it's started, and depending on the model size, it could be anywhere from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. And then you could sign out. Now, what we're just going to show now is a couple of other screens. So any of these areas, these are just the exact same screens that are also in the iPhone app. But what you can do, for example, is change the size of them, move them around to your own preference. You can't really do this yet on the iPhone app, but it just allows you to highlight, say, jobs that you want to do. Then you can click in, etc. So this, when you log in at first, you have to follow these this area here where it sort of says create your model. So you choose your model type, start filling it in, save it. Then step 2 is where you pair it with one of the cloud drives that are available. Then you have one free model deployment, otherwise you have to use PayPal to pay for the service, and then you deploy the model just like we just did. Okay, I think that's about all I need to show just at the moment on the web application. Okay, gonna log out now. Thank you.